famous actor during my time. I built a mansion up in Newhall, and you can find my name on the Western Walk of Stars. These two fellows here are Harry Carey and Gene Autry. They're from around here too. So Harry, where's your place?
My ran tennis on training club up in the San Francisco Canyon. It was a pretty nice place. And Autry, why did you tell me about your movie studio?
I'd be honored to tell you fine folks. My studio's called Melody Mansion. They only wish to meet you there today.